Hey, welcome back to M Squared. Today's video is a wake-up call. It's not here to sugarcoat your situation or offend anyone, but to highlight areas where change can lead to transformation. We're diving into 15 signs you might be poor, focusing on life in modern society, not extreme poverty. Before we jump in, this video isn't for the easily offended. If you're here for politically correct validation, this may not be the right video for you. But if you're ready to get real, take notes, and start improving your life, stick around, as it's equal parts truth bomb, wake-up call, and maybe a little bit of hope. Remember, your financial reality isn't a life sentence, it's a challenge to overcome. As always, please remember we do not provide financial advice. The material covered is either for information purposes or for fun only. Now that's out of the way, let's dive in. 1. Your fridge contains more baking soda than food. When your fridge is practically a shrine to Arm & Hammer with little else in it, it's not because you're a minimalist, it's because you're broke. No leftovers, no meal prep containers, just an echo that whispers, payday is coming. 2. Your wallet is full of receipts and expired coupons. If you've ever reached for cash or a card only to pull out a receipt for gum from 2019, you know the struggle. The worst part, that coupon you found probably expired before you could use it. 3. You stretch toothpaste like it's liquid gold, squeezing the tube so hard it looks like it went through a car compactor. We've all been there. Some of us have even cut it open to scrape the insides. If that's you, no judgment, just a nod of solidarity. 4. You strategize your outing based on free samples. Costco on Saturday? Check. Farmer's market with a try before you buy policy? Double check. You've got a mental map of every spot that gives out free snacks, and you're not above circling back for seconds. 5. Your internet bill is covered by your neighbor's Wi-Fi. That free Wi-Fi trick your cousin showed you in 2015 has been your lifeline ever since. If you've named your favorite neighbor's network in your head, it's a telltale sign things are tight. Solution. If it's possible, consider reaching out to your ISP for low-income programs or bundled services, and maybe stop naming your neighbor's Wi-Fi lifeboat. 6. You know all the tricks for surviving dollar store shopping. You're practically a connoisseur. Which stores sell the biggest bags of rice, which locations restock their shelves on Tuesdays, and which $1 items are actually worth it. Dollar Tree isn't just a store, it's your battlefield. 7. You're on a first-name basis with collection agencies? Let's not sugarcoat it. If you've ever heard we're calling about an outstanding balance and responded with, "Oh hey Todd, you're playing financial dodgeball at a professional level." 8. Your vacation is a staycation you can't really afford. You've told yourself relaxing at home is just as good as a trip, but deep down you know the truth. Staying home isn't a choice, it's your only option. And even then, you're budgeting popcorn for your movie marathon. 9. Your phone is so old it could be a museum exhibit. When friends ask, "What's that?" about your phone, they're not impressed. It's disbelief. Your phone is so outdated, even apps have started saying, "Sorry, this version isn't supported." 10. Your idea of meal prep is making ramen gourmet. You've mastered the art of elevating instant noodles with ingredients like eggs, veggies, or leftover chicken, but at the end of the day, it's still ramen, and you're still broke. 11. You've worn house shoes to the grocery store. That quick trip to the store turned into walking around in slippers you swear are just like sneakers. It's not laziness, it's because buying another pair of actual shoes isn't in the budget. 12. You make gas money decisions like a stockbroker. Should I put $5 in now, or wait until I can scrape together $10 later? Is a real debate you've had more than once. You know which stations shave off 2 cents per gallon, and you time your fill-ups like clockwork. 13. Your social life runs on BYOB. Inviting friends over is great until you realize they're the ones bringing the snacks and drinks. "Hey, I'll cook dinner." Really just means, "Please bring wine." 14. You've done math in the checkout line. You're not just grabbing items, you're calculating. The cart becomes a game of Jenga, where the final total has to be under a very specific number. And let's not talk about the shame of putting something back when you're over. 15. You use excuses to avoid social activities that cost money. When friends ask, "Want to go to that new bar?" Your mind instantly translates that to, do you have $40 to spend tonight? And you're already rehearsing, sorry, I'm super busy. All right, future billionaires, or at least slightly less broke dreamers, that's it for today's dose of brutally honest truths. If this list hit a little too close to home, don't worry, you're not alone, and you're not stuck forever. Recognizing the signs is step one. Figuring out how to level up is the fun and slightly terrifying part. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for hanging with me. If you like this video, you're going to love the one on your screen right now. It's packed with even more great information and tidbits for you to enjoy. Click it and we'll see you on the other side.